Oh yeah, inzwa. G. Okay, shout out to the West Side download that podcast. I want this is your DJ twice. Kuna karu jambo, kuna na rudari kiro. I funga uti zundesh ma fans. But this is an online competition. Yekuti whoever comes from Manenga, Mount Darren, Bindura, Glendale, everybody's on this competition because they know that the competition nature my chokwadi. And the first prize will be going to the first prize will go to the best guy. And the guy voted on never noise here. And then Tom Pachi, 2 free videos. Then the second prize, and each one a free video. Then the third prize to go on to So yeah, I think the days when we don't have interviews because some of the guys have access to internet, so we'll do some WhatsApp interview when fans can ask the artist simple questions right here. So anyway, this is the competition. Not competition. This is the contestant of the day. Today we have contestant number
19.
So just want to say congratulations on making it to the competition OutShine October. So simple. Introduce yourself, your name, your alias, and where you're from.
Hi Zimbabwe. My name is Elvis Takunda Marumoko. In my stage name, it's Ento Bouy.
Okay, all good, bro. So yeah, what first got you into music? Like, what first you got into music, my bro?
Got me into music that day. Inini ndrimuna akakura mu family inoita music. Like my father, vadema albums awo, but my father is a gospel writer. Vanoimba music gospel. Inini I started singing in 2010. That's when I started singing dancehall music. I sing a lot of music, different dancehall, Afro-pop, a variety.
All right. So who inspired you to make your music? That music that you do like every day. Who inspired you, or what inspired you?
Yeah. Like what I must say is that Muna Kandi inspired to be in music. It's Keep Rich, the one who is in Jamaica. Kaimba hit the later. And here in Zimbabwe, my role model is Soldier Love. Those are some of the people that did inspire me.
How would you describe the music that you typically create? Yeah, like typically, how do you describe it? Not music yako chicha hicho.
Yeah, the type of music that I sing, it's unique. Music yangu siana ni imwe inaitwa ni wamwe everyone is good his own style, but me I've got my own style ya Ento Bouy. The Shika movement has got his own style yakango zvimirira isina kufanana nemovement. You can see kuti inini magadzira ndita music ndogona ngoti ndichifamba, like I sing from my daily basis, the things that I see each and every day, zvinhu zvandorarama ndiri into, and I sing about my life. That's how I do create music. And zvinhu zvokuti boys zinenge richizvifarira. What into can you briefly break down into pieces kuti gadzirwe something that may sound well? Do zvimwe zvinoita kuti ndigadzire music, and I'm someone whokuti I'm good at freestyling. Imwe yacho unogona kuisa freestyle then ndoibata ndoichengeta then ndozoita song ndakuipolisha ndichinyatsowedzera nekuita sei nekunyora.
Alright, so at the background, there's music that's playing. This is your track. Would like you to introduce this track to the fans.
Right, and I'm introducing song yekuti Zuma Uchandida. It's a track yekuti mkomana anenge achibvunza msikana, like even msikana achibvunza mkomana kuti maybe uchandida, because there are a lot of changes that I'm seeing in our relationship. Munhu ari kuchema about mudiwa wake kuti iwe maybe uchandida, just tell me, kana waita sei wasandida. Munhu ari kuexpect what he feels and what she feels. Ndiri kurwadziwa to this extent, but ndinokuda, but just tell me, kana wasandida ndoziva kuti uchaita sei auchandida. That's the track.
Okay, thank you for introducing the song. And yeah, this is the song of the day coming from your artist Chimbochi Fila.
Blazing the steel. Bring the heat. Mix it non-stop with the hottest DJ.
DJ Twice.
Nashika, Peace Praga, DJ Tafi, Julota. Voice rakondarisua, yesi nechinyanja kanjani. Wadura suku, gara kulandani. Shimwe wakawana mumwe arinani. Baby, shimwe hauchandida modiwa. Pamwe pane zvandiri kushotiesa nemumwe uchizvipiwa. Shimwe hauchandida mudiwa. Pamwe pane zvandiri kushotiesa nemumwe uchizvipiwa. Ndikafona foni yangu haupike. Rudo rwawaibika baby hauchapike. Handaisada rudo rwedu rulike. Maybe wakati rudo rega ndikuite. Message unoisa waniwe the answer. Ila kipapo ndinenge ndatochansa. Unongoti ndeipi hapa chisina hani. No matoxi zanditira fani da mudiwa. Pamwe pane zvandiri kushotiesa nemumwe uchizvipiwa. Shimwe hauchandida mudiwa. Pamwe pane zvandiri kushotiesa nemumwe uchizvipiwa. Wanifoni yangu waibata uchitoenda kuma message. Kuapu pamwe chete nekuma email.
Yo, these are the cool sounds coming from your artist of the day. I was Chagaiba. Saka, send your greetings, send your shoutouts to whoever you want.
I want to shout out to all ENA family members. We say want to tell Ento Bouy. I want to shout out to 210. I want to shout out to Edge, Julio Touch, my producer, Sila, DJ Tafi, Tanya, Chiwenga, everyone who is there and support amangoma helps kuzite. And ndoda kunyanya kutenda wabereki wangu. If wakanga waramu mabereki pamweda singatendera kuimba this kind of a music, but there are some of the people kuti vanoramba vachingondi cheer up kuti wanna do this kuti music live music career irambe ichitase ichiendera mberi. But tinoti mafans rambai makamirira because mangoma arutase ari kuramba achiuya akawanda. And you can follow me on my Facebook page ENA Family of Success. Kana kutsvaga kana kudownload any track for unoda, even beat vidmate beat or pyramid, just type Ento Bouy, then you can download my videos. Don't forget to subscribe on my channel. I can't thank you.
Yeah, thank you, my guy. Thank you so much for the episode. So this was the episode of the day. Nice to meet you, nice for the first to hear you. And yo, Chimbochi Fila, one is to wait for the next episode. Andiri straight kungela nire ma orange ndava Mr. Bini kwa uri ndava comedy ma face ne ma hatari zizo kuziva kungero pachenjwa izwira kwa moyo wangu pono pomba uri mutadzi baby wangu moyo wakaromba dzoka itopotera ndava na maronda.
DJ Twice.